Kevin here with Lombard Equipment with my assistant Duke, and the hits just keep on coming. Here's a rare piece of equipment for you. This is the ProSpot aluminum weld station, brand new. It's got a little dent in the bottom shelf. It's never been in a shop. As you can see, all the hammers are still wrapped in the original package. This has got the Fume Extractor on it, which is a huge option. It has charcoal filters, which is what you should use when you're grinding aluminum. This unit also has with it a brand new cover. That's like $400 still in the wrapper. Everything is got the gel with it. It's got the toolkit with it. You got all your keys with it. You got your temperature gauge. Everything brand new, still in the wrapper. And this has the DA5. This is the new technology. This is draw and arc. Normally these ProSpot workstations come with the AL5, which is like a compact discharge. Old technology, new technology. New, this is around, it's in like the mid-teens. We got this on sale. Everything there, complete brand new for $5,900. If you don't have an aluminum dent repair station, now's the time. Call the 800 number.